In the name of the Creator of universes, who is most beneficent and merciful. See, we are the chosen one according to me. We come from so many corners of India and then are at one place for certain purpose. See, everybody from, let us say, some middle class family does not go to become Prime Minister. Somebody who's at the higher status does not come down to become some beggar. So there has to be some kind of a logic behind why we are here. And finally you find that the purpose of the place where you are is related to serving the border of this nation. So obviously, with all this big logic with so many people, there would have been somebody who would have selected you to be at one place to serve the border of your nation. So from that point of view, you are the chosen one. See, the journey for the chosen one, unless you yourself put your stuff, is not that easy. So whatever we are as of now was not overnight. At one point in time, some department which was in the eyes of the then chairman, Mr. J.R.D. Tata, and then under the control of Mr. Ratan Tata, all of a sudden you find that the department is deserted somewhere in 1980, and then the department does not know what to do because they were told that you are not supposed to do the business in that field in which NELCO was. So you try and find out something here, there. Somewhere at the same time, without telling you, some department is formed which is called as Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. And one day, because of some project which was unsuccessful, like what is shown here as 2-axis weather radar antenna control, when Bell says that no, your system is not acceptable, we'll give you 3 lakhs of rupees, and then in 2 lakhs you keep this antenna with you. So that becomes a demonstration piece for us. We did not know that time that there is anything like Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. We are supposed to supply launchers, and at one point in time, in one day, with Almighty's grace, we will become leaders in that field. So, like people say that Dr. Kalam comes to you. No. According to me, Dr. Kalam was sent by somebody who controls him, who controls the universes. He comes, he finds out that you are the only people to sort of quote for some system which is national level. He asks us 10 questions, out of which first question for me was very easy. What is your name? Next 10 questions, not answered by me, answered by Dr. Pradhan. If he would have asked me those 9 questions before, probably I would have forgotten my name also. So he says at the end, some bunch of guys, let me try, give them some product, and then let us see how they perform. So here comes Dr. Kalam with somebody's instruction to help that department, which was at one point in time was, I should not say thrown into dustbin, but then there was no wali of that department. Who's that? Let me pronounce some few words in his praise. That tu dil mein to aata hai, samajh mein nahi aata. दिल से काम लीजिए, अकल में. तू दिल में तो आता है, समझ में नहीं आता, बस जान गया मैं तेरी पहचान यही है. So he was who that he said. And after that, what? I mean, you get Pinaka, you get Akash, you get so many air defense gun and all that. So it starts, but that basic was by somebody who just cannot be thought over by brains, but he resides in your heart. Next journey was not so simple. Dr. Pradhan leaves us after we deliver Akash, and then we test fire Akash. Akash umbilical cord mechanism is carried by missile because we did not understand what is umbilical cord mechanism. We study that with all fast speed cameras and then so many things and come to the conclusion that by the time missile leaves the launcher, the speed is so much that whatever fantastic thing you have designed is no speed. So missile goes to 1.5 kilometers, your mechanism falls to 500 meters, and then you come to know you should have been designed this, you should have designed it in some different fashion. We go on and on and on and on and on. In that process that those Israelis come, they say that we have a fantastic system called low-level LLQR, low-level quick reaction missile system. So they sort of try and pounce. And with our friends in Indian Defence and Secretariat, they are successful also to some extent. So we like subservient, अरे यार चलो offset कर लेगा. We go to that country, Israel. देखो ये system है. They take one photograph of ours in front of the launcher. They say, memento of your visit to Israel. Okay, we'll keep that insert in mind. So we keep that in mind. Then somehow or the other we are trying, we take the system to Pokhran Desert, and there again Rajendra radar fails, which is the guiding radar for Akash, and then a helicopter moves like this around the radar, and radar is watching like a mosquito sitting on mosquito repellent. कुछ कर नहीं सकता. Air Force gives a last warning that now if you fear this system fail, and the Air Force got interested in between, otherwise it was Army's domain, and then we had shifted this Akash launcher onto T-72 tank, and so many things happened. So, last trial in Pokhran Desert, our launcher does not work first day, as usual. Next day, while it fails, program director is coming from the Chandipur shore, and it was just, it just matched that I got from Chandipur some auto and then went to shore, and he pronounces, you people have got shame to DRDO, a statement to be remembered. One was that Israeli, the second statement was, you people have got shame to DRDO. Okay sir, what can be done? Okay, I'll give you 2 more days. Okay, we do 2 more days work. After that, a control center set and the missile tracks the target 22 kilometers. Air Force does not believe in firing the missile onto some kind of a sleeve. They say that I want the airplane to be down. So on the last moment, our program director, Dr. Panyam, declares the aircraft carrier as the hostile target and then issues the command. 22 seconds to go for a missile to travel to the target, 22 pulses missed here. At the end of 22 seconds, the target is hit, and Almighty's grace. That was the day, golden day in the history of Akash. If that would not, hey, by the way, that is the only target which was engaged by Akash missile till now. Don't. Why did it happen? It's all because of you people's attachment with the border of this country. I have been with you on the ground, working with all those launcher programs, and take it from me that it's all because of your attachment. There was one more Dr. Panyam. Probably that name is not known in defense circles, but then according to me that is what comes, and you should remember. Dr. Panyam was the person with one kidney. Second kidney not working, some partially working. He takes insulin injection in Pokhran Desert at 9 o'clock in the morning and stands there till 8 o'clock evening. That is Dr. Panyam. The sacrifice sacrifice by people like him. It's something like, एक शेर याद आता है कि गर्मी हसरते नाकाम से जल जाते हैं, हम चरागों की तरह हर शाम से जल जाते हैं। शमा जिस आग में जलती है नुमाइश के लिए, हम उसी आग में गुमनाम से जल जाते हैं। डॉक्टर पन्नियम वॉज दैट गुमनाम वाली शमा, जो शायद जिसका नाम कोई याद नहीं रहता, लेकिन हम जैसे जो को पेट के 5 स्टार होटल में जाते हैं, शैंडलियर के अंदर में मोमबत्ती जलाने के लिए काय के लिए होती है, वो लाइट देती है, चांस नहीं है। 200 वॉट का लाइट बाजू में रोशनी देते रहता है। ये क्षमा किस लिए रहती है? नुमाइश के लिए। तो क्षमा जिस आग में जलती है नुमाइश के लिए, हम उसी आग में गुमनाम से जल जाते हैं। was Dr. Panniyam, whose name probably should be in the history of Akash, but probably he is not remembered. Another example, director ARD, Pinaka. Just 2 days back, I think Nilesh is prepared to sell one launcher, 10 crores. मेरा हाथ खुजली कर रहा है, जल्दी से मेरे को वो क्या कितना 6 रेजिमेंट सैंक्शन किया है 2 दिन के पहले, तो you can imagine 120 launchers. One day, the fellow calls us in the room for technical evaluation. Dr. Pradhan, myself and our team says, milliradian. 1 milliradian is the accuracy of the system, whereas he has given the leeway onto the beam which is to be fitted by 10 minutes. The 1 milliradian for launcher, which is so complicated, is corresponding to 3 minutes only. So, sir, it is not possible because of this reason, that reason, this, that, and all. So he says, no, it is not possible. Your competitor is Larsen and Toubro. They say it is possible. Dr. Pradhan, Bashir, this is the door. If you cannot design a system which is 1 milliradian, you can walk out from here. We will get the launchers from them. Dr. Pradhan says, Dr. Bashir, what to do? अरे शेर का सामने एक आदमी को डालेगा, आदमी क्या करेगा? जो करेगा शेर ही करेगा। वो डायरेक्टर ARD was शेर that time. सर कैसे? Take the risk. Don't worry. डॉक्टर प्रधान telling me like मेरे पार्लर में कि वो टिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले। टिफल यानी वो छोटा रेंगता हुआ बच्चा जो चल नहीं सकता है, वो टिफल क्या गिरे जो घुटनों के बल चले, गिरते वही है जो शय सवार होते हैं। जो घोड़े के ऊपर में चढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं वही तो गिरेंगे, जिसको घोड़ा ही नहीं मालूम वो क्या गिरेगा। So let's have that kind of jazba and junoon and attitude so as to serve the nation, and orders will automatically come. कुछ बड़ा स्ट्रैटेजी लगाया था कि हम पिनाका का ऑर्डर लाने के लिए 320 लॉन्चर्स ऑफ आकाश। कौन सा बड़ा बहुत बड़ा अटैचमेंट, दिल का अटैचमेंट लगाइएगा। Another छोटा एग्जाम्पल, आई एम सॉरी गोम्स, आई एम एक्सीडिंग योर टाइम लिमिट्स, बट लेट मी नहीं, उनको 4 बजे जाने का है मेरे को। तो एक we go for firing L70 gun, -4 degrees centigrade in some place called तोशा मैदान, कश्मीर की वादी। अब फिल्म में देखते होंगे बहुत प्यार व्यार करते एक दूसरे से, इतना इजी नहीं होता रहता है, बहुत ठंडी रहती है उधर। यू कैनॉट टच द गन, इफ यू ट्राई टू टच द गन वो हाथ उधर ही रह जाता है। सो you fire the gun 600 meters, it's like a wadi, and this distance is around 1.5 kilometers or so. So after firing the gun, I just asked one officer, why that fence is moving here? He says, which fence? उधर में कोई फेंस नहीं है। 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में 10 किलो का मशीन गन लेके खड़ा है। मैं मेरे कंपनी को राहुल को पूछता हूँ मेरा CTC कितना दिया, उसका CTC क्या है? $15,000 में मेरे साथ रिलेशन नहीं होने के बाद में -12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड में 10 किलो का मशीन गन लेके खड़ा। क्या है वो भी एक वही क्षमा है जो गुमनामी के अंधेरे में एक्चुअल अंधेरा दूर कर रही है। एक्चुअल अंधेरा So these are one or two incidences like that. I have many with you all on ground. When I was to test this Agni launcher on Bangalore roads, 140 tons launcher, can it move on Bangalore roads? वो पूरा बैंगलोर को और मैसूर को साथ में जैम कर देगा। So we decide to test it at 2 o'clock, and I don't know, God knows from where I get 150 people support, including Nilesh, coming from guest house in pajama kurta. मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ में जाएगी। So that is what is jazba already in you. Just ignite it. Just ignite it, and then it will. What cannot be done by we Indians and you? That Agni launcher, that attachment of associating yourself in 2 o'clock night, probably had culminated into it lifting off in a majestic fashion. 50 tons missile thrusted by 470 tons thrust thrown in the air. Launcher does not move a minute, and then you have already seen the results, that it travels through so many countries and lands in Australia, monitored by so many Indian ships in rough weathers. Ship's captain says we will not move unless we give the result of our travel. Why it is so? It traveled because of the attachment. किसी का commercial attachment होता, वहाँ पे वो कलकत्ता के ऊपर में गिर जाते थे। I do not know the answer behind this as to why does it happen, but my boys and girls, my sons and daughters, that happened for the last 40 years, and I just conclude that is your attachment with the border of this country to protect somehow. Business कैसा आएगा? वो नीलेश का business है, उसको आने वो आएगा, वो लाएगा, but just keep him supporting with your emotions with those products. So can we say that हम इस ACD के लिए, इस हिंदुस्तान के लिए, इस ACD के लिए एक जज्बा, एक जुनून रखेंगे दिल में, and probably किसी भी किस्म की इंसल्ट सह लेंगे, कस्टमर की, बाहर की, अंदर की, कुछ भी, because the result of that for last 40 years is आप biggest insult सहन कीजिएगा, biggest order आता है, कैसा आता है मालूम नहीं। दूसरा बात, इसको अपनी माँ के जैसा सींचना है। यहाँ का आप यहाँ के माली है, इस गुलिस्तान के माली है, हमारे जैसी जनरेशन चली जाएंगे आपके हाथ में। So for ACD kept in back of the mind can be pronounced that सितमगर से जो हो सितम की शिकायत, ना हम कर सके हैं ना हम कर सकेंगे, मेरे आंसुओं तुम मेरा साथ देना, उन्हें कुछ बताने की कोशिश ना करना। Have that kind of आप अपने दिल में वो रखिएगा कि किसी भी किस्म की इंसल्ट हम सहन कहेंगे, इसके लिए आंसुओं को रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि हमारी आंख से ना निकले, हमारा दिल भले ही जलता हो, बताएंगे नीचे। और क्षमा बन के महफिल में हम जल रहे हैं, क्षमा बन के महफिल में हम जल रहे हैं, मगर दिल की हालत है परवानों जैसी। खुदा की कसम जान दे देंगे इस पर। When I say इस पर मतलब I mean strategic engineering division of Tata Power। खुदा की कसम जान दे देंगे इस पर, हमारी माँ जैसी है। खुदा की कसम जान दे देंगे इस पर, हमें इससे हमारी रोजी रोटी जहानों के पालनहार देते हैं, हमें आजमाने की कोशिश न करना। सितमगर से जो हो सितम की शिकायत, न हम कर सके हैं न हम कर सकेंगे। मेरे आंसुओं तुम मेरा साथ देना, इन्हें कुछ बताने की कोशिश न करना, और क्षमा बन के महफिल में हम जल रहे हैं, मगर दिल की हालत है परवानों जैसी। खुदा की कसम जान दे देंगे इस पर, हमें आजमाने की कोशिश न करना। I cannot have 40 years story in sort of even 40 minutes, so your kindness will compel you to forgive me, but please keep mind. This is all for a younger generation. I'm oldies probably would go. My sons and daughters like. Please keep that jazba in mind. Jazba in junoon is needed. Your sacrifice is needed for the department to sort of take it forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you.